Welcome to another tutorial on how to earn money by sharing movies and TV shows. In this tutorial I'm going to show you basically how to increase your earnings dramatically using CPA lead. CPA lead is basically a network where you get people to fill in surveys to watch your movies or TV shows, and you get paid a commission for that lead. The first thing you'll need is a simple HTML editor. Now you can get an open source one called KompoZer, and basically KompoZer is free because it's open source. So if you go to KompoZer.net and click the download button, I think it only supports Windows. I'm not sure if there's a Mac version. Okay. So once your download's finished, what you want to do is install the software, and you'll probably need WinZip to extract the files. If you just go to winzip.com, you can get WinZip from there. Okay, so it's opening WinZip now. So once you've opened the WinZip file, what you need to do is just highlight the folder and then click extract. And then if you choose where to extract it to, normally I just put it in documents or something like that, and then click extract, and then wait for it to extract the file. I'll just pause this while it's extracting and come back to you. Okay, so that's almost done now. There you go. So once that's done, what we want to do now is go to the folder you just extracted it to and open it. You can close WinZip in the background now, you don't need that. Okay, and if you click on KompoZer.exe and run. Okay, you don't need to show the tips, so you can deselect that and close. Maximize the window. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple web page, and we're going to embed our VideoBB or Videozer video on it, and we're going to do something else with it. So the first thing to do is to create a title, and the title can be any size, any colour, as long as it's the title of the movie or TV show. So, for example, if I type Real Steel and press enter, and if I highlight that, and I can use bold, center, I can actually change the colour, using foreground and background. So I'll just change the text to red. Okay. And change the font. I like to use Arial. It's totally up to you what font you use. I always use Arial. Okay, you can change the size using heading 1, or or a heading 2. It's totally up to you. I usually use heading 1 though. Okay, so there's the title. Next, what we want to do is we want to embed our video. So we just center, and then if you go back to VideoBB or Videozer, I'm using Videozer. Look for my movie. There it is, Real Steel. What you want to do is click the title to get the movie loaded up, and then down here, if you click this / greater than symbol, you'll find the embed code. So we select the size. I normally stick around 415, 310. You can have it a lot bigger, but I think it looks better on the page if it's smaller. Okay. So then what you do is right click, select all, right click, copy. I know they have buttons here that say copy code and things, but sometimes they don't work. Okay, so now we can go back to KompoZer, and we can basically insert that as what you call HTML. Now this is hypertext markup language. It's the language of the internet. So we click the source tile at the bottom, and where you've clicked, you'll see your cursor flashing. You just right click in there and then paste. Okay, and if you go back to normal, you'll see your object or your video. So if you want to view this, you can click the preview tab, but that sometimes doesn't work with video. So go back to normal, and then if you save as, and what we'll do is give that a page title. I'll just call it Real Steel, just for the sake of argument. Okay, and make sure it's got the .html tag. You can save it wherever you like. I'll just save it in Documents. Okay, so once you've saved your file, if you go to the folder it's in my case I've saved it in Libraries, Documents. So if you, in the search bar there, if you just type .html, it'll be easier to find it. Okay, so there is a document there. So just click it, and there you go. I hope it opens in your default browser, and that happens to be Google Chrome. Okay, so we know that works. We can see the title and we can see the embedded video. The next step is to add a CPA lead gateway to it.